Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to play chess in Duolingo. The first thing you need to do is open the Duolingo app on your phone. Wait for the app to fully load until you arrive on the home screen. Once you are on the home screen, look at the top left corner of the display. You will see the language that you are currently learning. Tap on that language option to open the courses menu. After opening the menu, scroll down until you find the section called New Courses. In this section, you may see an option labeled Chess. If you cannot find the Chess option, do not worry. The feature is not available in every country or region yet, so some users may not have access to it right now. If you do see the Chess option, tap on it to continue. Duolingo will then ask you a few setup questions before starting. One of the questions will ask how much you already know about chess. You can choose from beginner options or the one you prefer. After choosing your skill level, Duolingo will ask where you would like to start. You can either begin with a chess match or start with a lesson. If you are completely new to chess, choosing the lesson option is the best place to begin. The tutorial lessons will guide you step by step. The app will show you how to move pieces and explain what each chess piece does during the game. You can follow the instructions on the screen and practice while learning the basics of chess. Thanks for watching.